Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a very special drink for you guys, and that's none other than the Voltic C4 Explosion. It's a drink I came up with myself, no biggie, you know? And it does contain energy drinks inside of it, along with liquor of course, and you won't be using your typical Monster per se. And also you guys, you won't be using your regular Red Bull either, so you can easily get rid of these two suckers. So one goes in, two goes in. Get those rid of the, put them in the trash. Who needs that? Instead, you'll be using a C4. Well, actually, I just drank this one recently. This is my second one today. Don't tell anybody, especially not my doctor. So we'll get rid of that one. But you'll be using this flavor instead. This flavor, you guys, is new, but it's so amazing. Oh my God, like you can, I mean, you feel a little bit itchy. You feel like back when you're like 12, 13, hitting puberty, you know. And enough of that, but it's really good, you guys. No crash later, you'll be feeling like normal. And don't let other people judge you. Who says you can't get a quick buzz before you get the pump afterwards, you know, at the gym? So if you're ready to find out about this drink, make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna need both of our shakers. Boom, a little crooked from all the banging out after the years. You can see them going around. Get a couple of ice cubes in there, you know, why not? Just 3 of them. I'm gonna start off with 1 ounce of a Blue Curacao. 1 ounce, you guys. Drop it right in there. We're gonna follow it up with 3/4 of an ounce of Orange Liqueur. You know why? Because why not? Then we're gonna follow it up by 1/4 of an ounce of Agave Nectar, just to enhance the flavor of the tequila, like always. But we don't want it too sweet because we already got the C4 in there. Just 1/4 of an ounce. Follow it up by 2 ounces of, 2.5 ounces of tequila. Had a rough day today, so. To be honest with you guys, I might even put 3 of them in here. You know, it's my drink. But no, recipe, 2.5. So 2.5 is gonna be for that recipe. We'll get that shit later on. Yeah, guys, you know, no biggie. You know, just use a little bit of magic, why not? Then, gonna get a limon. It was getting a little bit wiggly there. Just half of a lemon. Squeeze that juice out of there. Now you're just gonna shake everything up. You know why? Because why not? Shake that up real good. Get your cup over here. Get this stuff in there. Bam. All right, guys, so after you have your cup full of ice and you got a couple of lemons in there, slices, you're gonna get your drink, separate the shaker, and then just pour right in there, guys. Bam. All that juice right in there. Now, you're gonna top it off with your C4. All that energy right on top of there. Damn, guys, look at that. I'm trying to conserve turtles and everything. I run out of paper straws, so I won't be using those today. Throw another slice in there. Make it look even cuter, why not? Get this, cut a size of it. Put it on the side. Bam. Looks delicious, amazing. Whatever you're into. If you want to stick your finger in there, go ahead. So there you have it, the Voltic C4 Explosion. Amazing, great. Why don't you try it out? Let me know in the comments down below if you try it. Let me know what you think. Maybe I should take the video down. Let me know that too. But for me, you guys, delicious. Doesn't give me that same crash after I have like 3 or 4 Vegas bombs. This actually keeps me going. Right after I drink some of these, I'm like, you know what, bro? I'm ready to go hit the gym, you know? Feel a little buzz, why not? I have nothing better to do. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.